This is Adam Pecoraro from Flexoraro. What is this channel called? Flexoraro Fitness. And hey, how you doing? We're going to be watching my wife do her workout today. Her workout is a HIIT workout, high intensity interval training, and we are going to start with a slam ball and catch. So a slam ball, although very similar to a medicine ball, a med ball, slam balls have one crucial difference. They have thicker surfaces, making them ideal for high impact throwing exercises. Now Becca is going to push her feet up by the toes. She's going to lift the ball overhead. She's going to drop her hips down and force the slam ball into the floor. She's going to quickly try to grab it before it lands on the ground again. This is a power exercise, and power is strength and speed, and this exercise trains those principles. It's great for developing fast twitch muscles in the arms, legs, and it's a great ab exercise too. We're doing maximum quality reps of everything for 60 seconds with a 30-second rest interval, and she's doing 3 sets. You are watching her 3rd set. Now we're going to do an unconventional single arm row. A well-executed one-arm dumbbell row builds a strong back. It strengthens your shoulders, upper arms, and the core. The benefits will help you to perform many everyday activities with greater ease, less discomfort. So you'll be able to bend, lift, and carry more effortlessly. So this unconventional posture is more like an intermediate to advanced core challenge. Because of this variation, a lighter weight is recommended. Now she's going to do 1 minute on one side, 1 minute on the other. Now we're going to do a double biceps curl to a double bent over row. We're in a supinated grip for both, so we call this an inverted row. When it comes to building a strong back, the inverted row is arguably one of the best exercises someone can do. Kind of like pull-ups are recommended as one of the best exercises to do. But this one, far more accessible for most. And just because it's easier to perform than a pull-up doesn't make it less effective. Bec's doing this coupling of bicep curl with the inverted row because when you pull, you also use your biceps. Okay, now we get into the real dynamic stuff. So Beck is going to do a power jump. She's using her arms. She's going to jump forward as far as she can and land in a stable squat position. Then she has to walk back with 2 reverse lunges and repeat the motion. Now you have to make sure that you've got healthy joints. Your knees, your ankles, your hips can all support you. And if you're not sure about it, it's okay to do a modified exercise like step forward and squat, then 2 reverse lunges back and take out the jump. If you're used to running, hiking, doing jump rope, or other plyometric exercises, this is a good one for you. And the icing on top of the cake is a burpee. Hoo-yah, burpee. So Becca's doing a burpee with a single arm unilateral shoulder press. So as if a burpee wasn't hard enough, we add in this additional dynamic. Notice that she alternates as she goes, putting the dumbbell right between her toes. It's easy to modify. You can take out any part of it. Beck's a real hard worker and I'm very proud of her. I think she's getting really strong. She's always been fit. She's always been toned, but it's something that we want to maintain. You know, she's got her career as a nurse now. We're married. There's a lot of things that take a priority, but to continue to get in these hardcore exercises where she's really pushing and challenging herself weekly is inspiring to me, and I'm very proud of her. And that is it. Good job, Beck. And if those of you watching want to help us out, please like the video, leave a comment. I'm happy to respond, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good rest of your day.